Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about this product today. So this is from Wander Beauty, which is one of my favorite brands, and they recently sent me an awesome PR box that has their new upgraded lashes treatment mascara in it. So giving a disclaimer that this product was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. This retails for $26, and just like all of Wander Beauty's amazing products, it's multitasking. So this is a mascara and a lash treatment in one, which I am so excited about. I think this is genius. I am very picky with my mascaras, but I'm also really into lash treatments. Currently, I use the Babe Lash conditioning serum, so that goes brushes on the base of my lashes, and then I'm also using, I forget the brand right now, but it's a lash treatment that is like a clear mascara basically that you brush on your lashes. So I'm using 2 lash treatments a night, and then if I can also have my daily mascara have lash treatment in it, gosh, hopefully I would have the best lashes ever. So this says that it's a multitasking mascara which features a jet black whipped formula that delivers lightweight, buildable drama that won't clump, flake, or smudge. The nourishing treatment is proven to promote longer, thicker, and fuller lashes in just 2 weeks. And just in general, I love the Wander Beauty mascaras. They are some of my all-time favorite mascaras. So I'm just excited to try out a Wander Beauty mascara, and then when I realized it also has lash treatment in it, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's a dream come true. And the packaging is so cute. I love how they do the squeezy tube type packaging, but this pink color, of course, I love it. It's cruelty free. And let's check out the wand. Ooh, yes. I mean, this is what I like. It's the silicone kind of stubby bristle type of wand, and it kind of seems like it has an hourglass shape to it as well. I guess, well, it depends on how you're looking at it. Sometimes it's hourglass, sometimes it's more oval. But here you can see how this wand looks. It seems very promising. And now let's get to it. I'm gonna start applying it on one of my eyes. And let's see what happens. My first impression is that it doesn't seem like it's applying too much product at once, which actually is not a bad thing. Sometimes when it's way too much product going on at once, it just makes it clumpy and messy. But this, I think it's gonna take some time for me to build it up, but so far the lashes are staying nice and separated. I do feel like I'm kind of struggling to get the mascara on the tips of the lashes. I don't necessarily think this is going to be extremely lengthening. I mean, we're going to find out as I continue applying, but I'm like building it up at the base and the middle of the lashes, but then it just kind of doesn't do anything on the ends. But it's definitely keeping the lashes nice and fluttery and full. And that's already looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out on the lower lashes. I love, hopefully I don't jinx myself right now, but that this is not a messy mascara at all. It's not getting onto the under eye or my eyelid. It's defining the lower lashes really nicely, making them look dark. I really like this on the lower lashes. So easy to use. I mean, this right here, that looks really pretty compared to without it, with it. It makes it look so like full and wispy. I personally love to add some more volume. So let's see how this layers up, but I'm already impressed with how this is looking. I do see some good building up of volume, but still keeping the lashes separated and no clumping. Trying to tap the mascara onto the tips because that's the only thing that's not really impressing me, is that it does not seem to be lengthening. It doesn't really coat the entire lash. Trying to get it on the tips there, and it's a little difficult, but I love that it's keeping the lashes separated and full, because I really look for that in my mascaras. And it's not, since it's really not like a heavy mascara and it's not clumpy, it's not super volumizing, but since it keeps the lashes so separated, it does really enhance the eye, enhance the lashes, and make the lashes look full, even though it didn't add a ton of volume. So overall, I would say it makes the lashes look naturally beautiful, which is really what I try and go for with my makeup. So I think that's how I want to leave it, but look at that difference. I think it looks beautiful. Here I go, of course, just brushing through it again. I cannot stop myself, but no, that looks really good. And I literally got no mascara on my eyelid or my under eye, which is a very rare thing for me. I almost always get mascara on my eyelid and under eye. And I'm really glad I didn't today because I already did my eye makeup. So this is seriously a perfect mascara for me to be trying out right now. See how it is on the other eye. Oh, also I will say I did not curl my lashes, but this actually does seem to be curling. I think since it is such a nice lightweight formula, it's not weighing the lashes down, it's not making the lashes stick together. So maybe it's not super lengthening and volumizing, but it's very separating, fluttery, and curling. So I really like those qualities of this mascara. And of course, so easy to apply and not messy, which is so refreshing for me to find in a mascara. And it does seem to work to tap on the ends of the lashes if you are like me and struggling to get it to stick on to the entire lash. At least it does seem to stick on pretty well if I do that technique. I love when I don't have to be afraid to like really go in on these lower lashes, because the mascara isn't getting on my under eye at all, but I can really make sure I'm going over every lash, really coating and defining them. Like, that is such an awesome lower lash mascara. Wow. And if you can see the difference, so this is just the one coat, this is with it built up, so it really does make a difference if you want to add a second coat, kind of build up a little bit more of that, kind of like the volume, I guess. It builds it up a bit, just to make your lashes look a little bit more full. So I love a buildable mascara. And I'm gonna stop here, and I think I am good. Oh, I am just so excited about how my lashes look right now, but then I remember about how it's also treating my lashes to just help them look even better. So I love this. I am so excited about it. I am going to continue using it, so I can update you after I've used this up. I'll probably, I will feature it in an empties video, and I can let you know if it really did make a difference and how my lashes looked. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video. But I just think this is another wonderful mascara from Wander Beauty. If you've tried it out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.